Good morning, Ma. Namaste.
Namaste.
How's Nepal treating you? Let's go.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Loving.
How does it feel to be back here in Nepal?
Wonderful. It is fully my cup of tea.
Okay. I hope you're enjoying this stay. Please be seated, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, ma, let's have some coffee.
This coffee tastes different because I'm sitting next to a beautiful young lady.
Thank you, ma. Thank you so much. So, ma, is there anything in particular that you're looking forward to witness here in Nepal?
Now I'm 75. Whatever comes, I take it as a gift.
Wholeheartedly.
Right. And like this, one day I will disappear from this planet.
So, ma, how does it feel to be like surrounded by this energy? I mean, particularly Nepal's energy.
Hey, Nepal's energy is wonderful.
I must say.
Wonderful. No question. And it feels very good, very fresh for me, who has gone through many lives, ups, downs and turns.
Yeah. That pretty much explains. Ma, this Osho's teachings have been followed by a number of people across the globe, and of course they are phenomenal. All of them have like equal importance, but in today's world, which aspects of his philosophy do you think is mostly relevant?
Mostly relevant is being yourself and being aware and free. Do not compromise on basic values you have for yourself. Go through it, even in a difficult time.
Absolutely.
And come out shining.
Absolutely. So, I must ask you this, man, like what keeps you so grounded in different places and different culture every time?
Love for Bhagwan, love for my parents, and love for the environment, whatever it is.
Okay, what a wonderful start to a day it is. I mean, having this conversation. Do you love having this conversation early in the morning?
Absolutely, such conversation doesn't wait for only early morning. You can have this conversation at any time
as well, okay? Your reflections, your insights have been truly, truly inspiring. I'm so grateful to have, like, you have shared so much about the coffee. And I think it's the time, the vehicle is there and we should get going.
Okay, I'm ready. Guide me.
Please, sure. I would love to.
This outing was amazing. I did not expect anything. I was amazed at the beautiful garden, beautiful mountains.